Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, it's Monday, April 19th. It's so good to be here today. Let's get started today with the Pledge of Allegiance. Can you please stand up with me? Stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job. Okay, go ahead and have a seat. Show me a really good slant. Sit up really nice and still. We're going to have a little bit of back and forth today. I'm going to pause the video a couple times, so teachers be ready for that, so we can have a couple different kind of discussions. You can see right down here that our virtue this week says self-awareness. This actually comes from our habits of success with 4th through 8th graders, not our virtues poster, but I think it's perfect for everybody this week. So here's what we're talking about with self-awareness. 2 words there. Self, that's you, right? Just kind of look down at yourself for a second. That's what we're talking about. We're talking about yourself this week. And awareness, which means like you know yourself. So we're going to talk this week about lots of different ways you can know yourself and kind of the power of knowing yourself. All right, show me that good slant again. Now, without any talking, do this. Just kind of look to your left and your right. And don't say anything, but just notice, do you see anybody else in the class that's exactly like you? They might be sitting like you. Look, there's somebody who's showing the slant just like you, but there's nobody exactly like you. You're all different. You're different on the outside, different on the inside. I'm going to ask you a big question right now, and teachers, you might need to kind of edit this one if you need to, so the conversation goes okay, but I want you to list what are all the different things you can know about yourself? Okay, that's a really big question. I'll get it started. Here's something I can know about myself. I can know what my beard looks like, right? I can know what color my hair is. I can know what I feel like eating. I'm kind of hungry, and I know what sounds good. Okay, I'm going to pause the video for a second. Teachers, you can just pause. And let's list as many different things as you can know about yourself. Go ahead and pause, and I'll count down. Okay, now question number 2 for today about self-awareness. This is where self-awareness gets different than just awareness. Like I can be aware and I can know what's going on. I can look all around the classroom. You know what? I can probably tell who's focused. I can probably tell who's wearing blue today. It's probably a lot of you because you have your uniform on. Part 2 question is this. What is something you can know about yourself but nobody else can know unless you tell them? Okay, so I can look around the classroom and I can tell what everybody's hair color is, but can I tell what other people are feeling? I can guess. I can look at their face and maybe I can guess what they're feeling, but I want to know, can you think of what is something you can only, that you are the only one that can know this about you unless you tell people about it? Let's end with that discussion today, and then throughout the week we'll talk more about self-awareness. How do you get to know yourself better? How does that even help you? Have a great day, Achieve. See you later.